Alright guys, so I've been having this problem with the Grand Cherokee where it doesn't want to start. Like it'll start and then it'll shut off right away, or it'll just continue to crank. And then we're messing around with it in the shop and we actually locked ourselves out of the ignition. When you did it, nothing happened. So we determined that the skim key, there's something wrong with it. So the batteries are loose in it, or the battery is loose in it. So we're going to try to solder it back together and see if that helps. I'm going to order a new one or two new ones and have a dealership program them, but I still got to drive it in the meantime.
Yeah, it looks like where the solders are is what, right there? Right to this board here, you can see, it's hard to see this one. That one looks to me attached, but it isn't. And then this one over here is cracked too. You can actually take this piece off.
Which you're not supposed to do.
Which you're supposed to use flux. It's like an acid. I just use it to clean the tip mostly.
So how do you solder stuff?
You're supposed to use this to clean.
So it's you use flux to clean it and then...
Yeah, it's supposed to be an acid. I'm not the expert at soldering. I just kind of wing it.
But do you, so how do you get the solder to heat up and melt? You put it to the tip?
Well, the correct way is you're supposed to heat the metal.
But we can't because ours is very delicate.
And then I just bump it. And I assume that I got it.
On there?
Is it? Okay, I gotta get a little bit more. I'm gonna start with this one in the back. I'm gonna wipe my tip. I don't know what you're really supposed to do. I just kind of make it work.
Alright guys, I just wanted to finish this video up. It's been like a week or so now since we've redone the key fob for the Jeep, and it's working perfect every time. I don't know if you can hear it. I'll show you the headlights maybe. So there it's locking. I always have problems in the driveway for whatever reason. It's the only spot we have problems. Well, I guess it still works. I mean, it works better. That's what it used to do. I am ordering new key fobs because something I think is still messed up. But we've always had problems in our driveway. I don't know if it's because of all the Wi-Fi in the area or being so close to the town or what, but always we cannot lock and unlock it in our driveway. Anywhere else works perfectly fine. So, but that seemed to get us out of trouble. So if you're in a pinch, just solder yours together and you should be good to go.